There are 6 cabinet secretaries visiting that region, inspecting development projects. But remember, this is coming at a time where the conversation in the country is on the BBI recommendations. He is now with the governor, the host governor, Anne Waiguru. Karanja, over to you.
Well, Sophia, indeed, like you have mentioned, I've been lucky to have the host governor, Anne Mombi Kamodo, with us, who will be telling us exactly what this function is about, and perhaps also tell us about that BBI initiative, because like I have mentioned, the crowd here is holding placards that have been written, Kirinyaga County supports BBI. We want to understand, and we also want to understand which other guests have been able to come to Kirinyaga County today. Thank you so much, Governor, for speaking to us live on KTN News. Perhaps you may want to start by telling us the function today and whether at all, because we are seeing the crowd ready and also carrying placards in terms of BBI. What is the function about?
Okay, this is a development program. Thank you for this. And the function today is about raising funds for foundation, which PS Kibicho is the chair. And what they do is that they do development projects across Kirinyaga and sponsor events and all that. And so he had brought together, he's been planning for very many months. It's happened for about 6 months or more of planning. So that's why we're here.
Well, Governor, this event happening immediately a day after the president sort of released the BBI report to the public seemed to be more of mobilizing the public in terms of BBI, seeing even the leaders that have come here. Perhaps does it have anything to do with that?
No, not at all. This is a development project, and as you know, it can't have been planned in 2 days. It was planned over 6 months ago. It just happens to coincide with the events that were there this week. Yeah. So, but all things, I guess, politics about perception, but this is completely a development project, and you will hear. Yeah.
And lastly, perhaps you may want to tell us which leaders, which CSs you are hosting today, and which other governors who are addressing this event.
Yeah.
Perhaps the CSs who are present, and also the governors who are addressing this event today. Governor.
Yeah.
The leaders.
The present leaders were here. We have several governors. There's so much noise. There is governor of Mombasa. There's Governor Ongwae. There's Nyangarama. There is Kahiga. There is Muthomi Njuki. There's Olelonku. I think those are the ones I have I've seen so far. And Governor Joho is also here.
Well, aside from this particular project, are there any other places? Because earlier on you were Kagio Market. Perhaps are there any other projects that the CSs are expected to inspect, and other projects that you have in plan for Kirinyaga?
He did his own national government projects. He's inspected a police station according to his national program. And then he's come to the market and seen what I am doing with the parking and the development there. And then now we are here to do the function for the. Probably after this, he might go and look at the rice farms and see how he can support us. We have several CSs here, and we're taking the opportunity to also push our agenda as Kirinyaga people. Yeah.
Well, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, Governor, for speaking to us. Well, Sophia, that is the host governor, Anne Mombi Kamodo, talking to us about this event. As you have seen, of course, she was being called at the dais. That's why at times she would sort of not get the questions and all that. It is an event that has been, like she has mentioned, a host of leaders are present, including CSs, governors, senators, and members of parliament. Like she has said, she says it's not about BBI, but also what the crowd shows is a bit different, because the crowd shows the people who are carrying placards written Kirinyaga County supports BBI. Well, could it be a coincidence? Could it be people are just here sort of choosing this opportunity to sort of express their opinion on BBI? Well, that is what we will find out after the leaders sort of address this particular meeting, and later on as we address the residents from here. But we will keep tabs to everything that is happening here in Kirinyaga County. Like I have mentioned, it is a function that was sort of brought together by PS engineer Karanja Kibisho. The governor now saying that the event is not about BBI. It could not have taken 2 days to plan it. She says that it has been planned for 6 months, so it is not about BBI. But that is a wait and see. We shall definitely get to